welcome back. This is CoinPig. So today I'm going through a couple of the coins that I've already shown probably on this channel. You've probably seen them. These are the James Bond coins. This is basically the half-ounce silver proof in the acrylic stands. So this is the first one that came back in, I think it was March. I've lost track of time now. I think it was beginning of March. So this is what you got with this particular coin. Basically, they're all in the acrylic blocks, but obviously they're all different designs. This is the coin with the testing 1 2 3 1 2 3 testing. So this is the little leaflet that you get with it, booklets if you like. Doesn't give you a great deal of information really, certainly not much about the coin, just a bit of background information on James Bond, but to be honest you're probably going to know all that, and obviously it gives you a bit on the designers as well. This is the first one. This is the coin number 1 with the probably the most famous car. The Aston Martin. Yeah, so this is the number 1 coin, James Bond. James Bond, as in my name is Bond. James Bond, you get it? See? And the specifications for this particular coin, I think they're the same for all of them. So yeah, this is what you would have got if you got the, I mean, I think you can still get this coin as well. So this is the second coin. This is Pay Attention. This was released much later. I think it was last month, in fact, in September. You can see the design here. This is featuring Wet Nelly. It's a follow-on from the original Little Nelly back in the 60s, I think. But you know, there's the reverse of the coin. Of course, the JC portrait. There's the close-up. Some of the detail doesn't really change a great deal. So I'm only showing this on the one occasion. Or close up at least. Here's the Wet Nelly information in the booklet. Obviously the booklet changes depending on the coin. I say booklet, it's more of a, it's not really it's a fold out piece of card really, rather than a booklet, but this is what you get. This is the design. I do like the designs on these things, but a lot of people have been quite down on this particular set of coins. I don't know why particularly. Yeah. There we are. There's the third and final. So what's this one then? This one is the half-ounce silver proof, shaken not stirred, James Bond 007, number 3. So what we got? Very surprising that it comes in a gold box, but this is the half-ounce silver proof. I would have thought it would have come in a silver box, but you know. So what's going on here? There it is. I'm not gonna wear gloves for this one. Decided. So, can you see that? Yeah. So that's on the inside. It's still not exactly the cleanest. Oh, let's just have a look at the coin then. Still looks like it's got... That's on the outside. Still looks like it's got gunk on the outside, but that's the coin. Not a lot different to the previous ones in terms of overall look. Obviously the design is different, but you'd expect that since it's a different coin. And there's the portrait. Well, I'm just having a look on there. I'm not 100% happy with the look on it, I don't think. I mean, it hasn't damaged the coin at all, but you can see that there's some marks on the actual capsule. This is the booklet. Not going to show you everything, because there's not a lot to show, to be fair. But this is dressed to kill, as it were, and dress code and so on. Not a great deal of information on that in there, but you know, it's not really the booklet that we buy the coins for. And I will put in some more close-up shots, don't worry. This is the design, obviously close-up. Okay, so I said I was only going to show the close-up of the JC portrait once, but I couldn't resist. So there's some more close-up shots. And some of the detail. Don't know that I like the portrait of the Queen in this size coin, actually. So let's have a look in more detail at this particular coin. This is some more of the detail. It's on the same sort of level as all the others, obviously. The detail is a bit sparse, very simple looking design. And this is shaken not stirred, of course the well-known phrase that Bond used basically to order drinks, I suppose. Not sure that I like the choice here, really. I like the design, but the shaken not stirred, it's just not PC anyway. Not PC anyway, really, now. I don't know. It's quite difficult to get the edge showing as well on these particular coins. You can't actually see the edge. Now this is, I thought I'd just fling this in. This is the actual BU coin, and see, you can see the difference here. I actually quite like the BU coin on this particular version of this particular set. And there we have all three coins together. There's a bit more close-up of the coins. So I don't know whether you like these particular coins or not, or whether you have got them, whether you've got different version of the coins, whether you've got the BU coins or whether you've got the gold coins, I don't know. But I don't think, obviously there was a few issues this year for the Royal Mint, and I don't think they really made the most of these particular coins. Now obviously that's not entirely their fault. Obviously now the film has been delayed for essentially almost exactly a year from the original release date. That means that they've had less opportunity to show off these coins, I think. But I think they have missed a trick or two when it comes to these particular coins. Anyway, let me know what you think, and thanks for tuning in, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll be back next time with more coins. Dope.